Welcome to feelastro.com's exclusive channel related to Vedic astrology. In this video, let's analyze the characters of Bharani Nakshatra or birth star and its love and marriage compatibility with other stars. Please like the video, press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. For astrological free reports, please visit our site feelastro.com. For astrological services, please click on the links in the description below. To watch the compatibility with a particular star, please click on the timeline link in the description. Bharani is the second star among the 27 stars in Vedic astrology. Bharani stays in Aries. Bharani Nakshatra gender is female. Bharani belongs to Manushya Gana. Ruling lord is Venus. Ruling deity is Yamadeva. The symbol of Bharani is female yoni, which represents birth and nurturing. The ruling deity Yamadeva is the lord of death and virtue. Therefore, people born in Bharani will lead a virtuous life. The ruling planet of Bharani is Mars and the ruling lord is Venus. These planets have opposite traits. Hence, Bharani born may show dual characters at times. Some of them may be very artistic and creative, whereas others may be rough and tough personalities and may take up jobs that need a degree of toughness. Since the ruling lord is Venus, Bharani will have an attractive personality. They enjoy wearing good clothes and will love curios. They will be mature in their behavior from their young age onwards. They will also maintain youth and good health. Bharani will show high emotional intensity. This is due to the combination of Venus, which represents love, and Mars representing vigor. Yet, they may have some hidden feelings. Bharani is endowed with the gift of understanding the emotions of another person. Dr. Sigmund Freud, known as the father of psychoanalysis, was born in Bharani star. They will excel in nursing, designing, creativity, hotel, hospitality and administration sector. Let's analyze the love or marriage compatibility of Bharani star. Bharani Ashwini. Bharani and Ashwini will form the best compatible pairs. Ashwini will be able to understand the emotional upheavals of Bharani and they will stay happily in the relationship. Ashwini enjoys freedom in the relationship. Therefore, Bharani should not show possessiveness in the relationship. Bharani pairs will be very compatible as they will be able to understand each other easily. However, the intensity of emotions in the relationship shown by both partners may cause some difficulties. Yet, they will have a strong bond between them. Bharani Kritika. Kritika is usually not open in a relationship. They may have desires regarding love matters. Instead of letting the partner know about it, they may keep it to themselves. Kritika usually feels insecure in a relationship. If Bharani can understand this nature, then they will have a good relationship. Bharani Rohini. Bharani will enjoy love and fulfillment of desires in their relationship with Rohini. Bharani enjoys freedom in a relationship. However, Rohini may not be able to give this freedom. If Bharani is able to understand the possessive nature of Rohini, then they will have a peaceful relationship. Bharani Mrigashira. The relationship between Bharani and Mrigashira will be brimming with happiness and enthusiasm. However, Mrigashira has an unwanted habit of doubting everything. This may cause difficulties for Bharani in their relationship with Mrigashira. Bharani Ardra. Bharani is one among the few who can understand Ardra to the full extent. They will make a happy and fun pair. Bharani Punarvasu. Punarvasu is the best compatible pair for Bharani. They will understand each other's requirements in the relationship. They will maintain an active relationship. Bharani Pushya. Bharani will have a very practical relationship with Pushya. Pushya tries to maintain balance in all aspects of life. Sometimes Bharani may feel bored in the relationship. Bharani Ashlesha. Bharani and Ashlesha will maintain their unique characters in the relationship. Hence, they will form compatible pairs. However, criticizing or trying to correct each other may prove to be dangerous in their relationship. Bharani Maga. Maga may find it hard to understand the requirements and emotions of Bharani. The insecurity feeling of Maga in the relationship may pull back Bharani from getting involved in the relationship. Bharani Purva Falguni. The ruling lord of Bharani and Purva Falguni is Venus. Therefore, they will have intense love and lust in their relationship, but their perspectives regarding such matters will be dissimilar. Bharani Uttara Falguni. Bharani will have an understanding and helping relationship with Uttara Falguni, but both of them may not talk about love matters openly. Bharani Hasta. Hasta will always desire love and acceptance in their relationship with Bharani. So if Bharani tries to fulfill these desires, then their relationship with Hasta will be a smooth sailing one. Bharani Chitra. Chitra may not be able to understand the thoughts and emotions of Bharani to the full extent. Therefore, this will be a difficult relationship. Bharani Swati. Bharani will enjoy love, lust and attraction in their relationship with Swati. They will not only find a nice life partner but also a good friend in this relationship. Bharani Vishaga. Bharani may not be able to maintain the initial attraction they felt towards Vishaka. So they have to develop and nurture trust and love in their relationship. Bharani Anuradha. Bharani's relationship with Anuradha may suffer due to misconceptions and misunderstandings. Bharani's ways of love may seem unpractical to Anuradha. If they try to understand each other's concepts regarding love, their relationship may progress without impediments. Bharani Jeshta. Jeshta will be a good companion for Bharani regarding love matters. However, the intense emotions shown by Jeshta and their mood swings may cause difficulties in the relationship with Bharani. Bharani Moola. Bharani may feel a sudden attraction to Moola. They will experience intense love and emotions in their relationship during the initial periods. However, the spiritual concepts of Moola may not match with that of Bharani. Bharani Purvashada. The ruling lord of Bharani and Purvashada is Venus. Purvashada has a very different concept about love and desires. This may later cause relationship issues between them. Both of them should develop a compromising attitude in the relationship. Bharani Uttarashada. The relationship between Bharani and Uttarashada will be successful if Bharani is not possessive about Uttarashada. Uttarashada may shy away from open talks regarding love matters. So, if Bharani is able to understand this, then they can have a good relationship. Bharani Shravana. Bharani will find a highly compatible pair in Shravana. Shravana will be able to understand all the requirements of Bharani. They will be deeply attracted to each other. Bharani Dhanishta. Bharani may have to face difficulties in their relationship with Dhanishta. Bharani may not be able to like or follow the concepts of Dhanishta regarding love matters. Bharani Shadhabisha. Bharani will have to develop patience in their relationship with Shadhabisha. However, Bharani will be able to find a good friend in Shadhabisha. Shadhabisha desires freedom in a relationship. If they experience possessiveness in the relationship, they may elude their partner. Bharani Purva Bhadrapada. The relationship between Bharani and Purva Bhadrapada will be based on virtues. Purva Bhadrapada will generally accept the requirements of Bharani. If both of them are ready to talk openly and maintain love, this relationship will be in harmony. Bharani Uttara Bhadrapada. The relationship between Bharani and Uttara Bhadrapada can be a challenging one. Both of them may be very critical in their relationship, which may later result in emotional distance between them. Bharani Revati. Bharani will be able to maintain a good relationship with Revati. If they are willing to give more importance to love than lust, then they will have a strong bond between them. Thank you for watching this video. We will be back soon with another video.